So I'm sure that most of you guys have heard now that we are running this pilot program for the All Access Pass with the J. Lewis trading community. And essentially what this is, front to back, and what you're going to be offered is this. You're going to be offered access into our entire database of information that we have. Over the last 5 years, since the inception of J. Lewis Trading, I've produced over 200 hours of course content. I think the biggest thing here, it starts with the masterclass. You can see right through here, Trading 101, Module 1 through 4, bonus series. We've got a documentary on Jesse Livermore and more, all within the masterclass. This has actually been one of our most popular programs that we've offered over the last 5 years, and it's currently in the All Access Pass. Now, what you can come to expect from this is when you go to a module and you open up that button, you're going to get a number of videos to watch. And you can see this is the flags course 1 through 4, and all the videos are right here ready for you to watch. You simply press play and the videos start. Okay, so this is what is in the All Access Pass. You've got Module 2 all the way through 4, and then you've got some live Level 2 training where I actually also have put together the boot camp. This was another popular program that we ran live for 4 weeks, and we did it a couple months in a row. This is about 3 or 4 years ago. Very, very popular. All of those recordings are here in the All Access Pass, and you can see that we've got these videos of me actually live trading as well. If you go over into the Mentorship Program, now this has been a tab that has been locked just for our mentoring students. Mentoring students only have been able to access this until recently. And what you're going to be able to do is just click this button right through here, and then our entire portfolio of educational content is going to be open and unlocked for you to watch. So you can see that we've got a course and a tutorial on the Fibonacci's, the projection and the retracements. We've got stuff on flags, our gap strategy. So for example, you go into the gap strategy and you see that you've got videos 1 through 6. So it's a very, very in-depth, straightforward way that everything is shown to you. Very user-friendly, easy to go through. We've got little things like what halted stocks are, how to check what the listing for the halted stock is, what websites to go to, so on and so forth. We've got the popular head and shoulders pattern, and we also cover the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So every single course you see here is double-sided, because what we do is I offer insight to the bull side of things and also the bear side of things. We've got the STF model. This has been arguably one of the most interesting and successful courses as well, because what this does, this actually gives you finite information on how to execute a trade once you've found a tradable opportunity. So a lot of people find these great opportunities, but they don't know how to execute. The STF system, which is the setup, trigger, follow through model, this entire system, this course, this goes through everything that you're supposed to do once you've found the opportunity. Again, very, very important stuff that you're going to have access to. You'll see that you've got the time and sales crash course. So there's a lot of live training on here where I walk you through how to read tape. Very, very important stuff. Recently, I've posted a whole bunch of videos on tape reading, live trading, and that's all in our video library. So actually, if you go to our video library, you can see that we've got a few of them. The first one is an imagery library. Simply click that button and it's going to open a whole host of different images that are downloadable that you can download and put together sort of a catalog of trading images. We've got a video library here for all of the low float trades that we've done. Then we've got a video library for all of the option trades that we've done. In total, 220 plus hours of content. You'll also have access to our Ask a Trader archives area, and that's going to give you, we've got over 100 videos in there alone on past webinars that we've done on Tuesdays and Thursdays for our students. So there's always actionable stuff that you can grab out of every single one of these videos. If you look over here, we've got a list of recommended books that all of our mentoring students have read. And you've got access to connect with our trading platform partner, TC2000. And then if you decide to work with them like we do, then you have training modules on how to set your screens and scans up just like mine. So when you come into the All Access Pass under the pilot program, this is what you're going to have access to. Over 220 hours of educational content. Okay, the back end of this is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You're also going to have access to our live group training called Ask a Trader. Again, that's Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then throughout the entire week, we also have a chat room that you'll also gain access to, where all of our traders come and meet every single morning, where I post pre-market reports, post-market reports, more video lessons, news, more educational content, and that's where you'll get to know your team members. So if you're curious about what is included in this pilot program, this is everything that you're gonna have access to. Now the big thing is, 9 times out of 10, you will not find anything like this that is priced anywhere below $250 at a minimum and up. If you want to get involved, there's going to be a link below, and you'll see that subscribing to this is going to cost you less than what it subscribes to Netflix.